Hey parents, looking for some simple, creative ways to spark your child's imagination? I've got you covered with 5 easy DIY costumes for pretend play, no sewing skills required. Grab some household items and let's get started. First up, the classic superhero. All you need is a pillowcase and a ribbon. Fold the pillowcase in half, snip a small hole on each corner of the closed end, thread the ribbon through, and bam, cape secured. Add a paper mask and your child's ready to save the day. Next, a magical fairy. Twist together 2 wire hangers into wing shapes, stretch a pair of old tights over them, and secure with tape. Decorate with glitter or stickers. For the wand, tape a paper star to a chopstick and finish with ribbon. Easy, sparkly, and full of magic. Third, the friendly chef. Grab a large white t-shirt, tie a dish towel around the waist as an apron, and top it off with a chef's hat made from a paper bag. Hand them a wooden spoon, and let the pretend baking begin. Fourth, a brave astronaut. Wrap 2 empty soda bottles in tin foil, strap them together with duct tape, and attach them to a backpack. Those are your jetpacks. Add a colander helmet and a white shirt, and you've got a space explorer ready for liftoff. Finally, the adventurous pirate. Cut out a cardboard sword, wrap a scarf around their head, and draw on an eye patch with face paint or craft one from black paper and string. A striped t-shirt and some R, and you're set to sail the 7 seas of your living room. That's it. 5 quick, budget-friendly costume ideas your kids will love. Pretend play is more than fun. It helps kids build confidence, creativity, and social skills. So grab your supplies, get crafty, and watch your child's imagination soar. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative parenting tips.